Okay. So this is, you can show me. This is for my siblings.
Okay. Diba?
Saan tayo kanina ba?
Mo ba niya front ring? Mo ni kini
Oh,
kini
dito
sa
sa
house
restaurant.
kini no. Mo ni ang ilaha kini kana. Kani lang.
Kanina yun na,
Kani
area.
kani this one kani.
Kasali to?
No.
Oh.
No.
Ay, dili kanina di ay.
Upat na.
Okay,
Upat na.
8.9 man o.
Yeah, ito lang.
Di ay.
And then
Four siblings man
dito
na
may
sila.
right of way.
Yeah. Na yung right of way diri gyapon. Mo na
So-
na siyang front. Mo lagi na yun.
Everything's for sale, but everything's for sale, but they will abuse the price. So you have to really make pakiusap.
Okay.
Yeah. Pero yung hindi yung one big chunk, I'm not sure. Kasi yung alam ko, marami kang kakausapin dito.
Marami silang co-owners po.
Yeah. That's why my mother decided to get this kasi walang hassle. And then her plan was to actually get this. And then hindi na natuloy. I don't know why. And this one, I don't know rin why hindi natuloy. Pero yung alam ko kasi dito, nagkakaroon ng problema is yung mga sibling, mga heirs na yan ang problema. Anyway, I'll just video. Hello everyone. Hello. Especially you. There. Okay, sige.
Sige lang.